Hey there, in this video I'll show you how you can make this extremely simple and very secure phone stand or tripod. So I use this for basically making videos on my channel, and I was looking, and actually I was very frustrated for many months because I tried several tripods and all of them were completely terrible. For example, such a tripod like this might look a good idea, and it's fairly cheap as well. However, the thing is, they fall over with phones. As you tilt this part, the whole thing basically falls over. So I made a better adjustment so it doesn't fall over as much. However, still a terrible product, and basically all those tripods are like this. They either fall over with a fairly heavy phone or fairly heavy camera, whatever you got, or they also wobble, as you see, and the whole video basically starts shaking, and that's absolute crap basically. So it took me some while to basically come up with the design of this, and I tried to make and use it from as little material as possible and to be as easy and as fast to adjust as possible. So we can adjust the stand basically in lengths as we need. Also, yep, it's extremely secure. As you can see, it doesn't move anywhere, it doesn't shake, it doesn't fall over or do any of that stuff. Also, for pretty much every tripod you need to basically secure your phone either by screwing or by a clamp. However, for this one, as you can see, you can simply just place it on, and it doesn't take any time at all. And when you are filming something, you need to take the phone in and out, and this takes quite a lot of time and hassle. This one you don't really have to do it, it stands on its own. And by unscrewing two screws here, we can adjust the height of it as we need very quickly. And yep, when we have chosen our height, we can simply fasten the screws and it will be extremely secure again. Then I also made this part so we can adjust the angle here. So for example, we want to place our phone like that, or basically adjust any angle we need. We can unscrew this screw here. Okay, we unscrew the screw and we can now adjust the angle as we need. So pretty nice. And when we want our position, so we simply screw it back in, and it will be extremely secure again. Also, this obviously doesn't damage your table as well, since we screwed it down from the bottom with screws that doesn't come out basically of the tabletop. And yeah, you can't damage your furniture basically this way as well. So this tripod basically pretty much consists only of 3 extremely simple parts. Plus, if you want this base to be tiltable and this angle to be adjustable, one part like this. So this is where our phone will stand, and we will be able to adjust the angle of this as well with this part. I'll show you later. So the dimensions for this one is around 15 centimeters both ways, basically around 15 centimeters. But really the size will depend on your phone. If you got a tiny phone or a big one, maybe you can make a centimeter wider or somewhere there. So basically we'll just take your phone and see where your cameras are and see how it fits. So, and also made a cutout like this where the camera will, basically the lens of the camera will sit. Otherwise this might obstruct, and if you don't cut out such cutout here, the phone basically would sit like this, and you have a good chance that it might fall out. So this is what I found to be the best solution. The phone still perfectly holds on this part here and also on this part here, so pretty stable and secure. Then I cut out this, where this will basically go, oops, this way, and this really needs to be very snug, so it just needs to fit pretty much perfect. At the first time I was cutting, I cut it a bit too wide. So later on I continued and made it a bit smaller. So make sure it's very snug fit, and you have to really press in hard. So otherwise it will jerk around easily. Also, I cut it like this in around 30-degree angle, or you don't really have to do that. This part I cut out with jigsaw, and this also with a jigsaw. This part I cut off with a circular saw. Here again you can make a straight edge. It's just aesthetics basically. Then the main beam, it's around maybe 3 centimeters wide, a bit over that. 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and I find this the best size. In length you pretty much just make it as long as you need. So for example I have 36 centimeter long, so but you can make longer, just basically whatever you need. And then finally this piece. This is what will go on the rail table, and it will be secured. Basically I have drilled some holes here, and this is how it goes in. Again, make sure it's fairly snug fit. Again, in my case I have made it a bit too wide, so it's best if it's very snug fit, so it stays in place more securely. Anyway, make sure this is cut at 90 degrees angle perfectly, otherwise yeah, your angles will be off, very off. Again, make sure the angles are perfect this way and also this way. Then we'll need to secure both of these pieces together, and I have drilled a hole where I will screw in a long screw, and also have marked my angle at which my phone would sit. Also I'll make this so you can tilt this. So this is what we needed that second piece for. Basically we are going to screw only one screw here, and so this can basically we can move this like that. So, and when we have chosen our angle every time we need, we can simply take this piece and screw it around here. So, and when we want to adjust the angle, we will simply unscrew this a bit, so this is a bit loose, and adjust the total angle as we need. And then when we have our angle, we are going to tighten this, so it's a very secure fit. Okay, we have our screw right in here, and this is a fairly big screw, so it's very secure. And this is how I screwed these 2 screws here, and also 1 screw here, which we can untighten when we need it. So, for example, in this position, as you can see, we can adjust the angle as we need, and we can place it like that. So, you can pretty much get any angle you want. Then, when we tighten this screw, it will be fixed in place. Okay, with the screw fixed, as you see, it's pretty much impossible to move it anywhere, and it's very secure. And when we want to change the angle, we can just unscrew this screw slightly and change to whatever we need. If you don't want this, you don't really even need to screw this down here if you want one single angle. So you can just screw it somewhere here, so it's permanent fix basically. Okay, then we are going to screw this piece underneath our table basically, till it's like that. I suggest to insert the stand inside the hole basically before you tighten it down, so you can see that it's a very tight and good fix in the correct angle you need. Okay, I have securely attached this from the bottom, like that, and I have drilled 2 holes here and here. This will fixate basically the main beam. Okay, and then obviously pick the length you need and fasten it down. So, and when you need to change, you can simply unscrew this screw a bit and simply slide it up or down to change the height of this thing. And it's very secure, and yeah, it will stay in place and be very nice stand. And we are able to place our phone here, and it's obviously very secure, and you don't have to clamp anything or screw anything down, and it simply stays in place. And it's very fast basically, and this makes basically my filming process so much easier and faster. And best of all, it doesn't wobbles anywhere, and yeah, it's pretty much perfect, and you really can't purchase a product like this anywhere. I have looked very hard. Yeah, these mini table stands are pretty much impossible to be purchased in good quality. They're complete garbage basically. So, and the cheapest one I could find was maybe like $60. So this cost us, I don't know, maybe 50 cents to make. Really just need a bit of scrap wood and some screws. Again, this took around 15 minutes to make. If you need to make two of them, I bet you can make one in under 10 minutes really. So very fast, very secure, and practically for free. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And yeah, this probably is the best stand for making videos I have ever used basically.